Theories of pyramid construction. The Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt, the towering temples of the Maya, and the step pyramids of the Aztecs, each built thousands of years ago with remarkable precision. But how did they do it? Ramp theory. One of the most accepted theories suggests that workers built massive ramps to drag stones into place. But was this practical for structures this large? Internal spiral ramp theory. Some researchers believe the Egyptians used an internal spiral system to move stones from the inside out. Could this be the real secret? Water transport and hydraulic lifting. Recently, experts have suggested that ancient engineers may have used water channels to help move heavy stones, similar to locks in modern canals. The unexplained mysteries. But here's where things get really strange. Some pyramid features defy logical explanation. Perfect alignments. The Great Pyramid of Giza is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal directions. How did they achieve this without GPS? Advanced mathematics and astronomy. Many ancient pyramids align with celestial bodies, tracking solstices and even planetary movements. Did the builders have an advanced understanding of the cosmos? Impossible precision. Some stone blocks fit together so tightly that even a razor blade can't fit between them. Were they using lost technology? Global pyramid connection. And here's another mystery. Why do pyramids appear all over the world, across cultures that supposedly never had contact? Similar pyramid designs. From the step pyramids of the Maya to the pyramids of China's ancient emperors, the architectural similarities are uncanny. Hidden underground pyramids. Recent discoveries have revealed hidden pyramids buried beneath jungle and sand, waiting to be uncovered. Was there a lost ancient civilization? Could an advanced lost civilization have influenced pyramid building worldwide? The most mind-blowing theories. Some believe the answer lies beyond what mainstream history teaches us. Ancient high technology. Could the ancients have had a forgotten form of advanced engineering, like sound levitation, or an early form of concrete? Extraterrestrial influence, the precision, the complexity, the global connections. Some believe pyramids may have been influenced by something not of this world. Lost knowledge of the ancients. Could the secrets of pyramid construction still be hidden in lost texts, waiting to be rediscovered? The mystery of the pyramids remains one of the greatest puzzles of our time. Were they built with pure ingenuity, lost technology, or something more mysterious? What do you think? Let us know your theories in the comments below.